What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today, we are going to be trying again at tree falling, or tree felling, however you want to say it. I'm feeling a little more confident this time. Been doing a little research, watching some YouTube videos. I think we're gonna get her this time. I really do. So, we're gonna take the old Honda four-wheeler back there to 572 again. And let's get right to her. We're gonna be cutting down the tree that we first looked at last time. Fire's right up, no problems. Good four-wheeler. I got a fresh sharpen on the chain here, so we should be in good shape. Let's roll. Alrighty, guys, we made it back here. We're at the tree right here. It's a pretty tall one. Goes up there a good ways, I'd say. Right now, it's leaning that way, but the top is leaning that way. Definitely gonna want to get her to fall going that way. So, in the research I've done on the last one that's up there, you can see it's right over there laying down. I went like halfway through. That's not what you want. You only want to go like a little bit in, and then you want to come in with your other cut and leave about 10% here in the middle, from what I've learned. And I'm not even going to try to do it on my knees like I did last time. We're just going to stand up and we're going to try to cut it the right way this time. And hopefully it goes well. Hopefully. I'm really not sure. But let's give her a whirl. Well, update. Eye protection helps a little, but I still got a shitload of sawdust in my eyes. And we ran into a similar scenario, not as bad this time, but as you can see, it looks pretty decent there. It really does. And then if you come over here, it's not. So, I don't know. I guess I need to come back a little further with it, bring it back even further, but the whole thing is that my cut still falls where I want it to. But yeah, let's get back to it. I might have to run up and grab the axe too, I forgot it. Got our axe, had to run up to the house and grab it. If you look in there, see that the original cut up here is pretty good. I mean, that's right where I wanted it to be. However, it's still at an angle. It's a little crooked. Needs to be more level. But I messed up the other cut again. So it almost looks like I have my saw tilted too much like this. And which would make sense because I'm coming and slicing like this. So I'd need it to bring it like I'd need to bring it kind of like this and slice in instead of like this. Need to be like this is what I think is going on here. I think. So now we just have to fix this, which I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm thinking I'm gonna go back a little deeper into here, and then that way I can try to connect back here, and then I'll have to notch this a little deeper too. So overall, we're not making out perfect, but I don't think it's as bad as last time yet. That way, if I'm doing it terrible, you guys can give me pointers. So now I have it looking better. It's just all looks crooked, not nice and square and level. See, like that doesn't look terrible. I know it's not perfect up here. I messed it up, but oh well. But it's way better than what it was. And if it were to just be straighter, then I think we would be in there. I think we'd be good. So I think I'm actually gonna fell it right now, and that's gonna have us pointing. It should come right on the other side of that tree. I was hoping to be over there, but I messed it up again, so now it's gonna come over there. But hey, I mean, I know I keep messing it up, but I'd much rather get it wrong in the woods than in someone's yard or something, you know? Well guys, that went way better than the last one. Let's look at the cut. Hinge wood worked, or holding wood, however you want to call it, worked great. That actually fell exactly where I wanted it to. I mean, exactly. I wanted it to fall right on the left side of that stump, and that's exactly where it fell. This cut looks pretty decent. The notch still definitely I need to definitely work on that, for sure. But this part, couldn't be happier. So guys, I might chop this up now. I might not. I'm not sure. I'm not going to film it because I filmed me failing to chop up that one up there. And you'll see me chop it up into logs and rounds up at the farm. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I think we're getting better already at cutting trees down, so I hope it keeps continuing that way. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.